Once upon a time, there lived a girl named Cinderella, forced to work while her stepsisters prepared for the royal ball. Each night, these sisters performed an elaborate 12-step skincare ritual, hoarding expensive products from across the kingdom. "You'll never be ready in time," they taunted Cinderella. "The prince would never choose someone with your simple routine." While gathering seashells to clean the floors, Cinderella met an unusual fairy godmother, a bright red lobster who emerged from the tide. "I have no magic pumpkin," the lobster confessed, "but I offer something better." It extended a claw, presenting a single Chitosan mask, harvested from its own shell. One mask, 7 benefits. That's the real magic. The night of the ball, Cinderella applied the mask while her stepsisters layered product after product. When she arrived at the palace, her skin glowed with a natural radiance that caught everyone's attention, especially the prince's. "How do you achieve such luminosity?" the stepsisters later demanded. "Their own complexions, dull despite their many potions." Cinderella smiled. "Sometimes the simplest path is the most transformative." The prince chose Cinderella not for glass slippers, but for her authentic beauty and the time she spent living life instead of standing before a mirror. The moral? The most valuable luxury isn't found in complexity, but in the time saved for things that truly matter.